Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. The question we all have is how to maintain your kitchen clean always. Before getting into the video, please subscribe to my channel and click onto the bell icon. So I have come up with 10 rules to be followed if you want to maintain a clean kitchen, with a bonus tip at the end. Without delaying much, let's get into the video. So the rule number 1. Clean it then and there. Try to maintain the surroundings clean always. Try to wind up things then and there. The rule number 2. Do not ever leave your kitchen messy in the night. Try to wind up things at least in the night. Try to clean it up. Wash the vessels. Try to maintain the countertop always. So keep it clean. Rule number 3. Maintain 2 sets of kitchen cloth, one for wiping and one for using in the kitchen. So one you will be using to hold the vessels and wipe it when you want to use it. Second is for cleaning purpose. Make sure the cleaning towel is a microfiber cloth or a cotton cloth with a rough texture. It will clean the surface very easily. Rule number 4. Wash the vessels and clean the sink daily before going to bed, which will make your morning entry very beautiful. The sink has to be clean every day, which is always healthy. It will keep virus and bacteria away from our kitchen. Rule number 5. Try to reuse the kadai if you can. It will make vessels less when you wash. Make sure the kadai used can be reused actually, so that it will lessen your time washing the vessels. Rule number 6. Use the vessels and bowls as needed. Do not use more vessels and make your things messy. It will keep you always frustrated when you have to wash the vessels again. Maintain limited number of vessels, so that you will not have to wash again and again so many vessels. Save some time, save some energy. Rule number 7. Maintain a small tray or a spatula holder to keep the spatula you use when you're cooking. Do not keep it on the floor or the countertop. Keep the countertop and floor clean, which will make your cooking more pleasure. Rule number 8. Cleaning the below items is a must during the weekend. Clean the stove, the walls, the tiles, and the cupboard doors. Keep it tidy always. Wash the cloth that you used after cleaning. Trust me guys, please keep your kitchen clean so that it will make your cooking more pleasure. It's a great job. So the rule number 9. Arrange the vessels after you wash it. Keep it accordingly how frequent you use it. The rule number 10. So the final rule is relied on the above 9 rules. You have to clean and maintain it then and there. Do not stoop into the kitchen after cooking is over. Finally guys, the bonus tip is on the way. Please click onto the bell icon and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. It will keep you notified when I have some updates on my channel. Spend only 2 to 3 hours maximum for overall cooking from breakfast to dinner. This will definitely save your time and give you pleasure to maintain the kitchen space. Isn't that a bonus tip? Happy cooking, happy life. Found something useful? To get more videos like this, please click onto the bell icon. You will get notified when I have some updates on such topics or any other updates. Until then, take care, bye-bye. Don't forget to like and share.